Have you ever wondered if having dual citizenship is really a blessing? Or if it could turn into a hidden problem for Americans abroad? In 2025, things are changing fast. And if you hold to passports or you're replanning to, this video is a must-watch. From tax traps, USCIS rules, denaturalization threats, and even security clearance issues, I'll walk you through everything you need to know so you don't get caught off guard. This is the USA's Settler Diaries, where we break down immigration updates, citizenship challenges, and the real-life experiences of living abroad as an American. So grab a cup of coffee, and let's dive in. The basics of dual citizenship. Dual citizenship means you're legally recognized as a citizen of two countries at the same time. For many, it feels like the best of both worlds. You can live, work, and study in either country without a visa. You may also access healthcare, education, and social benefits in both places. But here's the reality check. Having two passports doesn't mean double the freedom. In fact, it can mean double the responsibility and double the risks. U.S. tax obligations, the biggest warning. The U.S. taxes its citizens no matter where they live. Even if you earn abroad, you still have to file a U.S. tax return every year. In 2025, with better global banking surveillance and IRS enforcement, there's no hiding. If you fail to report, you risk penalties that can chase you across borders. FATCAN banking risks under FATCA, foreign banks must report American account holders. Many banks simply don't want the hassle. So some dual citizens are denied accounts or loans. This means everyday financial tasks like getting a mortgage or even opening a savings account abroad can turn into a headache. Legal obligations abroad, here's where it gets complicated. If you're a dual citizen, you may be fully subject to the laws of your second country. Military service requirements, jury duty, or political obligations. Even limits on owning property or doing business abroad. And here's the part many don't realize. If you hide or misrepresent your dual citizenship status in official U.S. matters, like immigration forms or security clearance applications, it can lead to something as serious as denaturalization. Yes, U.S. citizenship isn't always forever. In rare cases, if the government proves fraud, concealment, or disloyalty, they can strip someone of naturalized U.S. citizenship. And in 2025, with advanced data sharing between countries, those risks are higher than ever. Travel and security complications. Traveling as a dual citizen can also come with hidden risks. Which passport to use? Always use your U.S. passport when entering or leaving the States. Using your foreign one could trigger suspicion. Local treatment. Once you're inside your other country, you may be treated only as their citizen. That means if there's political unrest or legal trouble, the U.S. Embassy may have limited ability to protect you. Security clearance issues. If you work for the U.S. government, military, or contractors, dual citizenship can raise red flags. Holding a foreign passport or having strong ties abroad can affect your ability to qualify for or maintain security clearance. This is becoming more critical in 2025 as U.S. agencies tighten their vetting process. Emergency evacuations. In a war or crisis, your dual status could delay or even block evacuation efforts. Since some countries may not allow you to leave on a U.S. passport, real-life challenges in 2025. Imagine these scenarios. You're abroad and your child is born overseas. Will they automatically be American? Not always. It depends on your years of U.S. residence before their birth. If you're caught in your second country during a political crackdown, they might treat you as one of their own citizens, not as an American. You want to renounce your U.S. citizenship to escape the tax burden. But beware. You may face an exit tax, and renunciation is permanent. Tips to protect yourself if you're a dual citizen. Here are 6 ways to stay safe in 2025. 1. Stay tax compliant. Always file your U.S. taxes. Don't risk penalties. 2. Use the right passport. U.S. passport in the States, foreign passport abroad. 3. Know local laws. Respect your second country's obligations, military service, taxes, or civic duties. 4. Be honest on forms. Never hide your dual citizenship on U.S. applications or immigration documents. 5. Keep us ties strong. Maintain an address, bank account, and tax records. 6. Get expert help. A tax advisor or immigration lawyer can help you avoid costly mistakes. Dual citizenship can open amazing doors. But in 2025, it also comes with risks that every American must understand, from tax traps to denaturalization threats, banking restrictions to security clearance problems. Don't wait until you're in trouble to figure this out. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe to the USA Settler Diaries, and share this with anyone who may be a dual citizen or thinking about applying for a second passport. Remember, knowledge is power. Stay informed, stay compliant, and stay safe wherever in the world you may be. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.